Welcome back. In this video I will show you how to go to home screen on laptop using keyboard. So make sure to minimize all your open windows and instantly go straight to your desktop using your keyboard. You can use any of these quick shortcuts. The fastest shortcut is you need to press and hold down the Windows logo key, then tap the letter D. This is the toggle switch. Pressing it once minimize everything to reveal your home screen. Pressing it again instantly bring up your active windows right back to where. So for your better understanding, I have opened the on-screen keyboard. For this you need to press this window key and D key like this one. Moreover, if you have opened the multiple windows, then you can minimize all at once. For this you need to press and hold down the window key and then press the letter M. This forces every single open application to minimize down into the taskbar, clearing your screen completely. To undo this and bring them back, press window key Shift plus M. If you are using the mouse, then you need to move your mouse towards the bottom right corner of the screen, and here you can see my mouse is on the bottom of the screen. You just need to click on this align box here. It will minimize all the windows open instantly, and when you click it back, all the windows are back on the screens. I hope now you understand how to go to home screen on laptop using keyboard. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.